Hello everyone, welcome back to Social Nerd. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can delete comments on Instagram. Before starting the tutorial, I'd like to let you know about Instagram. It's an app where you can connect with friends, share what you're up to, or see what's new from others all over the world. Now, open up Instagram app on your phone. After you open up the app, be sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on your profile icon, which is at the bottom right of your screen. Select the post with the comment that you want to delete. There below the picture, there you'll see a heart icon, comment icon and share icon. Tap on the comment icon. Tap and hold on the comment that you want to delete. After that, tap on the delete icon, which is on top right of your screen. This way you can delete comments on Instagram. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.